Okay, you guys, I want to share with you our anti-aging tinted moisturizer SPF 30. So we've had it reformulated. It'll be available in 2 weeks, and I've applied the light to my skin, and I'm just blending that in. And then I'm gonna go in with the deep for just a little bit of contour, just to give my face a little bit of dimension. I want a sheer look. I don't want to look like I have foundation on. I just want to look really natural. So now I'm going to go in with the deep. Let me see if I can do the light, show you the light. Let's see if this is the light. Yes. There's the light, there's the medium. I probably need a little more light right in here just to kind of deflect here, give me a lift. Okay, let's go in with some deep, okay? Maybe a little more light under here, under my eyes. I did a skin treatment on my under eye and upper eye, so they're a little bit pink, but that's okay. I don't care. Let's go with deep. Let's add some dimension to the face. I'm just gonna go right in here into my cheeks. Okay, let's go right in here. Oh, I love that. It's just a natural look. It's a beautiful formulation. It has antioxidants in it. It's so beautiful to use for day if you aren't into wearing heavy foundation, or just for those days when you just want to get out the door quickly. Now, what do you think? I love this formulation, and I'm glad we're bringing it back, and that'll be available in 14 days. So our antioxidant, anti-aging tinted moisturizer, it's hydrating, it's a broad spectrum, zinc oxide, and it's paraben-free and oil-free. It is a beautiful formulation, and I can't wait for you to try it.